fifth graders, happy weekend. Carl, the lady hamster, is spending the next few weeks in Hawaii at her beach house, so she's sorry that she can't be here for Module 4 Lesson 2 video. Instead, she's handed over the ropes to Pico, and Pico just wanted to say hi.
Hey girls, I heard you guys are in Module 4. Congratulations. I know it's going to be an awesome module for you guys. Mrs. Calamaris told me that you guys are going to be modeling division today and kind of rewriting division expressions as fractions. That sounds like so much fun. I sometimes wish I wasn't a hamster and I was a fifth grader. So enjoy it. I'll just be here nibbling away.
How lucky are we that we have such amazing hamsters in our class to help us with these math videos. Okay, so we are going to be looking at a few different division expressions as Pico told you guys, and we're going to be drawing, here what we're supposed to be doing is drawing a picture to show exactly what this means. So yes, very, very simple expressions, but it's super important right now to really understand at a deeper level what this means. So we have 3 divided by 4. Let's work with, I know these are big out here. Well, let's work with maple bars. Are those delicious donuts that everyone loves so much? So we're going to start with 3 maple bars. And we need to divide those amongst 4 happy kiddos. Some of them have uniquely shaped heads. So these kids are so happy. We're gonna name these kiddos. We have Alex, we have Claire, we have Cole, and we have our very own, I'm trying to think of a girly from my class that I haven't. We have our very own Nat. Okay, so 4 happy kiddos. They're happy because they're about to get some maple bar. Do we have enough maple bars to give Alex, Claire, Cole, and Nat an entire maple bar? No, we do not. So we need to be very fair, and we're going to cut each of our maple bars into 4 equal pieces because we have 4 kids that are hungry and love maple bars. So I'm cutting each of my 3 maple bars into 4 equal pieces because we have 4 kids. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to say, we're going to share these. We want to be very fair. We're going to say, okay, Alex gets that part, Claire gets that one, Cole, and Nat. So we shared this first maple bar evenly across our 4 kiddos. And now we're just going to do the same with the other 2 maple bars. We're just going to hand out 1/4 at a time, evenly. Okay. And I know that this is a lot of arrows, but just hang with me. We just want to make sure we're being fair to each of our friends. I'm just handing out 1/4 to each of our friends. So now let's count how many fourths, because we cut this into 1, 2, 3, 4 even slices. Let's count how many fourths Alex got. Well, he got 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. Okay, so Alex got 3/4. He's feeling real excited about that. Claire got 1, 2, 3/4 too. Okay, Claire's real pumped. Cole got 1, 2, 3/4. Okay, happy Cole. And then Nat got 1, 2, 3/4 as well. Okay, so it looks like when we divide 3 into 4 equal groups or across 4 happy kids, across 4 happy kids, so 3 divided by 4 is equal to 3/4. Each kid got 3/4 of a maple bar. Okay, that's very cool. Let's look at C. So we're looking at 6 divided by 4. So let's maybe think about, I'm going to clear that. I might have to close this. Let's think about, as I zoom in here, what 6 divided by 4 is going to look like. 6 divided by 4. Okay, 6 divided by 4. Let's work with 2 graham crackers this time because they're just so delicious and Cal's kind of obsessed with them right now. So we're starting with 6 graham crackers. We're drawing a picture here in lesson 2 so that we can really fully understand what division means. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 graham crackers, and then we're going to divide those graham crackers evenly, with 4 people. Okay, so let's share these graham crackers with some friends. Dum 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 dum. Okay. So we have 6 graham crackers. We have 4 friends. 6 divided by 4. Are we going to have enough graham crackers so that each of our friends gets a whole graham cracker? Yes, we are. That's why these kids are looking really happy. So Kendi, you get 1. Anna, you get 1. Evan, you get 1. And Elsa, you get 1. So these graham crackers have been distributed. Okay. So now I'm going to keep track of how many graham crackers each of our kids get. So Kendi has a whole graham cracker, Anna has a whole graham cracker, Evan has a whole graham cracker, and Elsa has a whole graham cracker. And now we have these 2 graham crackers left. We need to figure out some way to share these graham crackers with our friends. So what we're going to do is divide each of our graham crackers into 4 equal pieces. And then we're going to share each of our 4ths with our friends. So Kendi, you get a 4th. So he's got a 4th. So he has 1 and 1/4. And then Anna gets a 4th. So we'll keep track of what we're handing out here. And then Evan gets a 4th. He's really excited about that. And then Elsa, a 4th for you. Okay, cool. And then we still have this graham cracker to hand out. So, yep, Kendi, you're going to get another 4th. Woohoo! And then Anna is going to get another 4th. We're keeping track of what we've given to these hungry kiddos. And then Evan, you get another 4th of a graham cracker. And then Miss Elsa, here is another 4th for you. So we've handed out all of the graham crackers evenly. I'm scratching it out because we've handed them out. And now let's see how many graham crackers each of these kiddos got. So Kendi got 1 whole and 1 2/4. Okay, so 1 and 2/4. And then Anna got 1 whole and then 1 2/4. Okay, good. And then Evan got 1 whole and 2/4. Okay, happy Evan. And then Miss Elsa got 1 whole and then 1 2/4. Okay, cool. So everyone got an even amount. As it turns out, I'm going to write the expression again down here. As it turns out, 6 divided by 4 is equal to 1 and 2/4. Interesting. Let's think about how many 4ths are in this whole that each of our kiddos got. So if I were to divide my whole into 4ths, 1, 2, 3, 4, you guys know 1 whole is just a simplified version of 4/4. So we can say 6 divided by 4 is 1 and 2/4, or we can say that 6 divided by 4 is 4/4 plus 2/4, which is 6/4. 1 and 2/4 and 6/4 represent the same amount. Very interesting. The secret word will be to tell me where Carl the lady hamster is for the next couple of weeks. So we're just going to look at this again. You guys are probably already seeing the patterns. Here we're going to fill in the blanks to make true number sentences. 2 divided by 3 is equal to... Hello? Pen, here we go. 2 over 3, or 2/3. These represent the same exact amounts, just two different versions, two different ways to write this expression, 2 divided by 3 or 2/3. Fraction bar and the division expression represent the same operation. Okay, so 15 divided by 8 is equal to, you guessed it, 15/8. Booyah. 11 divided by 4 is equal to 11/4, or 11/4. Let's look at down here. 3/2 is equal to 3 divided by 2. 9/13, or 9/13, is equal to 9 divided by 13. Okay, cool. And then here, 1 1/3 is equal to one number divided by another number. This is a mixed number. I only have 2 spots here. Let's go ahead and transform this mixed number into an improper fraction. 1, so let's bring down our 1/3. 1 is a simplified version of 3/3. 1 1/3 is equal to 3/3 plus 1/3. 3/3 plus 3/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 4/3. So 4/3 and 1 1/3 represent the same amount. So 1 1/3 is equal to 4 divided by 3, because 1 1/3 is equal to 4/3. Cool. So I am going to be missing you guys tomorrow. On Monday I will not see you. We teachers will be doing lots of work. But I am looking forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday. I'm looking forward to a great week, and we'll see you then.